Good day. Welcome to our mathematics class. At the end of this presentation, you will be able to describe and illustrate well-defined sets, subsets, universal set, and null or empty set. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. What it is? Which of the following is an example of a set? A. Set of counting numbers. B. Set of intelligent people. C. Set of honest people. The answer is set of counting numbers. Why? Because a set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects called elements. Well-defined means that the elements should be possible to determine that they are belong to a set. Set of counting numbers, you can list the elements for it, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. While B and C are not well-defined sets. Why? Because it is impossible to determine whether a person is intelligent or honest. It is not well-defined. What is the best description of set B? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. A. Set of weeks. B. Set of months. Or C. Set of the days of a week. The answer is set of days of a week. A set can be defined by describing the contents or by listing the elements. It is called the roster method. Listing method or the roster method. We're going to list the elements like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, listing all the elements, you call this the roster method. Next. Given set A, the elements are red, yellow, blue. What are the elements or objects in the given set? A. 1, 2, and 3 are the elements of A. Yellow, blue, and red are the elements of A. Pink, red, and yellow are the elements of A. The answer is B. Yellow, blue, and red are the elements of A. The set notation for element is this, and for not an element is this one. So question, is pink an element of A? If it is not, use the not an element notation. Pink is not an element of A. Next, what is the cardinality of set C? A dozen of eggs. A. 6, B. 12, C. 18. The answer is 12. Why? Cardinality means it is a set of numbers of elements included in a set. It means that the number of elements in a given set. A dozen of eggs means 12. In a given set D, the elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. What is the cardinality of the set? A. 4, B. 5, C. Cannot be counted. The answer is cannot be counted. Why? Well, for this set, you cannot count the elements of the set because of the three dots. It is called ellipsis. It means there is no end. There's no ending if you're going to count the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. There's no end. That is why you cannot count the elements in it. What do you call the set of objects or elements which can be counted? A. Finite set. B. Infinite set. Or C. Cardinality of a set. The answer is finite set. Why? Example, set of primary colors. Since there are three elements for the set of primary colors, it means you can count the elements. So it is called finite set. Another example is set of even prime number. It has one element. So you can count that element. Okay? And that element is the number 2. Given sets A, the elements are C, O, V, I, D. And set B, the elements are V, I, C, O, D. Are the two sets equal? A. No. B. Yes. C. Cannot be determined. The answer is yes. Why? Equal sets have the exact same elements regardless of the order of the elements. As you can see, for set A, the elements are, let's say, COVID, and for set B, the elements are VCOT. Okay. For set A, we have the element C, as well as for set B, it also has the element C. And for A, the element A has also, for B, the element has O as the element, V, I, D, and VID. So they have the same elements. So this is the notation A equals B. Means the two sets are equal. Next, given two sets A, the elements are 1, 2, 3, and B, the elements are A, B, C. Are the sets equivalent? A, yes. B, no. C, cannot be determined. The answer is yes. Why? Equivalent sets, even though they have different elements, but have the same cardinality. Again, cardinality means the number of elements on it. Okay. For set A, the elements are 1, 2, 3. If we're going to count the elements in it, we have 3 elements. Okay. Same goes with set B. The elements are A, B, C. If we're going to count the elements in it, okay, 1, 2, 3, A for 1, B 2, C 3, so 3 elements. Okay, so the same cardinality. They have the same number of elements. So this is the notation for A equivalent. A is equivalent to B. Which set is empty or null? In other words, which set has no elements? A, the notation, B, or C? The answer is A. Set notation for empty or null set is this one. Okay, so remember that. If U, or the universal, is equal to the elements R, V, I, R, U, S, then which of the following is the subset of U, or the universal? A, B, C. The answer is B. Subset is a part of a set. All the elements of a given set is also the elements in another set. Take a look at this. The universal, the elements are VIRUS, and for set N, the elements are VIRUS. They have the same elements. So the subset relationship is denoted as A subset B. So for this, okay, set N is a subset of the universal. Next, what is the universal set for the following set? A. The elements are A, T, M. Set B, the elements are H, A, T. So is it A, B, or C? The answer is C. Why? Taken all the elements for A and B, the elements are M, A, T, H. Remember, you can only list the elements for the set once. That is why elements are unique. So that's it. Knowledge is power. Rewatch the presentation if you fail to fully understand our lesson. Otherwise, type in the link for assessment number 1. This is the link. So before you go to this assessment, okay, you're going to answer the assessment, you can also read, okay, your module for further reading for review. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.